Hello traders. In this video, I'm going to be taking a deep dive into the Mad Turtle EA, and I'll be walking you through exactly how it performs, what kind of strategy it's using, and whether it actually holds up under proper backtesting. Now, quickly before we get into it, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Also, just to be clear right from the start, this EA is designed for the MT5 platform. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace, and the Mad Turtle EA is developed by Gennady Sergenko. It's currently priced at 1800 US dollars, which already puts it in the premium category. So naturally, expectations are high. From the setup, this EA is designed to trade XAUUSD and works across multiple time frames, mainly from the M15 up until the H1. It also requires a minimum deposit of around 500 US dollars. Although realistically, with gold, you would want a bit more breathing room. One thing that stands out immediately is the strong emphasis on machine learning. All right, the developer claims this EA uses ONNX based models, right, directly inside the MT5, which means it's not relying on external APIs or anything like that. Everything is self contained within the platform. Another interesting point is the way the strategy is positioned. It's clearly not targeting aggressive growth or account flipping. Instead, it's aiming for long term consistency with controlled risk, which is very different from what you typically see with grid or martingale systems. Now, let us talk about how this EA is actually structured, right? First, the machine learning component. All right, this isn't just a buzzword here. The EA is built on multiple models, and each model can have separate logic for buy and sell conditions. So instead of a single rule based system, you are essentially dealing with a layered decision making process. What this does is allow the EA to adapt to different types of market behavior. For example, one model might be more active during trending conditions, while another handles more neutral or corrective phases. But here's the trade off. With this level of complexity, it also becomes harder to predict behavior in the short term. You are relying heavily on how well those models were trained, right? So, now another major feature is the strict risk control through stop loss usage. Unlike grid systems or martingale strategies that keep adding positions, this EA cuts losses when needed. That's actually a big deal because it means it avoids account blow ups from overexposure, but at the same time, you can experience multiple stop losses in a row, especially during unstable market conditions. So, psychologically, this system requires patience. There is also no trailing stop and no early profit taking, right? So the EA is designed to extract maximum value from each trade, which means it lets trades run longer, sometimes for hours or even days. Now that's great for strong trends, but it also means you might see profits retrace before closing. And if the move fails, it can end in a full stop loss. So again, it's very much a risk reward focused system and not a scalping approach, right? Another important aspect is that it supports single position trading, meaning it doesn't stack trades aggressively. That alone reduces risk significantly compared to most EAs on the market. All right, so what I'm going to be doing now is to just jump into the strategy tester. Okay, I have already downloaded the free demo, and we are going to be heading over to the MT5 platform now to test the EA on gold XAUUSD. We're just going to be using the H1 time frame. All right, so now we're just going to search for Mad Turtle. Okay, XAUUSD H1 time frame, and we're going to be back testing over a meaningful period starting from the beginning of this year, right, and till date, right, spanning multiple market conditions. So this way we are not just looking at a short short-term performance window. Okay, but I recommend that when you want to test this EA, ideally you should use a longer time frame, right? You can even test it over a couple of years to get a more comprehensive result. So let's go ahead and start the test. Okay. All right, so the expert advisor is already active, hunting for opportunities in the market. So you will notice that it is not stacking trades, and the EA is likely looking for momentum-based opportunities, probably aligned with a directional bias from its trained models. Given how the system works, it's not trying to catch small moves, right? It's aiming for larger directional swings. And as we can see, the first trade has already been executed, all right? So entries might seem less frequent, but more deliberate, all right? So we can see that another trade has been executed. So instead of holding onto losing trades or trying to recover them, the EA simply exits and moves on, right? So what we are seeing here is an EA that employs a clean loss cutting mechanism which protects the account long term. Okay. We already had a trade that hit take profit, and now another one has been executed. The downside with the technique of the EA is that during choppy or sideways markets, you can get a series of stop losses because there is no averaging or recovery system in place. All right. So we are clearly in a more structured market move, and the trade that has been executed by the EA, or rather, the trade's been executed by the EA in a structured market move, ideally might be allowed to run into substantial profit before closing, right? Okay, but currently we're having some fluctuations. This is a buy trade, right? And you can see that the EA already closed the trade in loss, not allowing it to even hit the stop loss, right? So based on the core idea of this system, there will likely be fewer trades, but aiming for higher reward per trade. Now we are just going to be skipping to the end of this video so that we can analyze the results together. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for a while. I'll just pause the recording and be back once the results are out so that we can analyze the results together. So the results are out, and we can see that from an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars, we had a total net profit of 343 US dollars. So that's giving us close to 11.5% or thereabout. All right, and then we can see that we had total trades 28. There were no short trades. So out of the entire long 28 trades, 64.29% were profitable. And then we can also see that the largest profitable trade was $177.35, and the largest losing trade was $100.18. The average profit trade was $30.91. Average losing trade was $21.32. Now, Keep in mind that these are historical backtest results, not guarantees of future performance. What we are seeing is a strategy that maintains relatively controlled drawdown, has an okay risk to reward structure. The risk to reward is not all that good because based on what we are seeing here, um, I would say it's a little bit above 1:1, maybe 1:1.5 or thereabout. Okay, for judging from the average profit and the average loss. All right. So your performance basically will always depend on several factors, including your lot size and risk settings, market conditions, especially trend versus range, and then broker executions and spreads, amongst others. Also, since this EA relies on machine learning models, it's important to test and optimize your settings yourself, before using it on a live account. So, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.